Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the layout on your Instagram stories to make your content more creative and engaging. Whether you want to share multiple photos or create something unique, Instagram's layout feature has got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the plus sign button on the top of your profile. Now tap on it. Here is the option of camera. Now simply select it. Once you are in the story camera, look for the layout icon. It looks like a grid and it is located on the left side of your screen. Now select it. Now you will see different grid options for how your story can be laid out. You can choose from variety of layouts like 2, 4 or 6 sections. Simply choose the layout that fits your style. Once you have selected your layout, it's time to start adding content. You can take photos or videos for each section, or you can also upload them from your gallery. Now tap here. Now you can get creative with customization. You can add text, stickers, GIFs and filters to your layout just like any regular Instagram story. You can also choose to add sounds or music. Tap the icons at the top to add these elements and make your story pop. Once you are happy with your layout, hit the Your Story button at the bottom to post it for your followers to see. So that's how you change the layout on your Instagram stories. It's a super easy way to make your content stand out and keep things visually interesting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.